How to get Flexwood in LEGO Fortnite. Flexwood in LEGO Fortnite. Flexwood is a crucial item for recipes and upgrades in LEGO Fortnite. Harvested from cacti in the Dry Valley, desert biome. Cacti are easy to spot but challenging to harvest. Preparing for the Dry Valley. Accessing the Dry Valley requires preparation due to extreme heat. Heat protection items like snowberries or a cool-headed charm are essential. Night travel is an option, but dangerous due to strong enemies. Harvesting Flexwood. Use a rare forest axe for harvesting, lesser axes won't work. Upgrade crafting bench to level 3 with specific materials. Crafting the rare forest axe requires cut amber and knotroot rod. Crafting bench upgrade. Upgrade requires materials, 12x knotroot rod, 15x marble slab, 6x sand claw, 3x sand shell. Alternative harvesting method. Roll boulders into cacti in the Dry Valley to harvest Flexwood. Finding the right boulder in the desert can be challenging. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.